She wasn't overeating, she was exercising. But her belly just wouldn't shrink. Until she removed 3 sneaky foods and dropped 10 pounds of pure belly fat in just 21 days. Here's what they were and why they were keeping her stuck. Hey, it's Dr. Leanna of Dr. Lean Life, your virtual weight loss doctor. If you're a woman over 25 and you feel like your body's working against you, especially around your belly, you're not imagining it. Hormones, gut health, inflammation. These are the real blockers no one told us about. And today, I'm breaking down what one woman did to finally reset her system without starving or over-exercising. Meet Maya, 38 years old, 2 kids, office job. She was tired of feeling inflamed, bloated, and betrayed by her body. She was eating healthy, or so she thought, until she learned that 3 everyday foods were spiking her cortisol, gut inflammation, and fat-storing hormones every single day. You won't believe how common the final food is. It's probably in your kitchen right now, and it's sabotaging your metabolism. Watch till the end. The 3rd food is the most surprising, and cutting it changed everything for Maya. Food number 1, low-fat yogurts and protein bars. First, low-fat yogurts and healthy protein bars, loaded with hidden sugars and artificial sweeteners like sucralose. These spike insulin, a fat-storing hormone, and disrupt the gut microbiome. When your gut is inflamed, your belly holds on to fat. Maya swapped these for full-fat Greek yogurt with cinnamon and noticed less bloating in just 3 days. Food number 2, seed oils and healthy foods. Next up, healthy salad dressings and almond butters. Most are packed with inflammatory seed oils like canola or soybean oil. These trigger chronic low-grade inflammation, making it harder for your body to burn fat, especially around the belly. Maya switched to olive oil and avocado oil and felt lighter, clearer, and less puffy by week 2. Food number 3, gluten-free processed snacks. Last, gluten-free crackers and bread. They sound healthy, but they're ultra-processed and spike blood sugar just like white bread. Every spike equals more insulin, equals more belly storage. Maya swapped them for quinoa bowls, roasted sweet potato, and protein-rich meals that kept her full without the bloat. Here's the truth. If you're a woman 25 to 50, it's not just calories. It's not willpower. It's hormones like insulin and cortisol. It's gut health and estrogen dominance. And 90% of the time, the healthy foods we trust are keeping us stuck. When Maya reset her hormones and cut the foods inflaming her gut, the weight finally started melting off. If this sounds like you, it's because it is most of us. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just misinformed. Your body is ready to heal when you stop fighting it and start working with it. Ready to reset your hormones and lose that belly for good? Download my free Hormone Reset food list in the description. And don't forget to subscribe because we're just getting started. In our next video, I'll show you exactly what to eat at each stage of your cycle to boost fat loss and energy. See you there. And remember, your body isn't broken. It just needs the right reset.